how can I not show this one off? It's a 6-month 1981 Hj47, and this is the 47 at the start of their life. They started in late 1980, so back then this one doesn't have the tacho, doesn't have the clock, still on drum brakes. This is early days, but we've got a good one here. This is a really sweet Troopy. This one's had 3 owners. It's come from out west in New South Wales. It's lived its whole life, and now that the current owner Dwight's up here in Queensland, it's a Queensland rig, and it's been painted. It's been I wouldn't even say restoed. He just scurfed it back. There's been no filler at all. This one's been in, the panels have been in immaculate condition. So as far as restos go, this one, he found himself a really sweet one that didn't need much work at all. And the owner, he's done all the, it was sort of country spec. So he's added the flares, added things like the ARB bull bar, added the Thomas winch up the front, the snorkel. He's done all the weather strips while he was at it, and just all the personal touches on this one is added by Dwight. And it's now on Club Rego because he's actually got an Hj47 Troopy, which is his daily. So he's got a couple of these that he drives. Underneath the bonnet, you can see how clean it looks. That engine's well looked after. Still got all this blue paint on it, hasn't been cooked. Dual battery, both up the front, and that's pretty much all that's going on. It is a very stock vehicle. So we'll go and have a look inside. It's another one that's untouched from its day, but it's really clean in here, so let's have a look. So she's just really basic and really clean in here. It's well looked after. Right down the back, there's nothing in there, but it's all been painted, well kept, plenty of space. It's got all dark tint through it. It's like a dungeon black. It's kept it nice and dark, keeps it cool in here. He's got matting back there, reupholstered seats, the factory floor mats. He's even protecting those with some carpet. Just an untouched dash. The dash is really nice. It's got the original Hj47 in a beautiful condition. He does have a UHF in here and an overhead console, and that's basically about it. It's just an original vehicle. The door cards have been a little bit butchered with speakers, but if I'm going to pick on it, that's it. It's just a beautiful, well kept 47, and this is no aircon, no disc brakes, no power steering. It's how she was out of the factory in its day, not for the faint-hearted. And he's just got a really sweet vehicle. This would be great to drive. I haven't driven this one yet, so when we wrap this up, I'm going to go get coffee in this one. So why is this one even visiting the Mr Landcruiser yard? It had a screaming noise coming out of the oil pump up the front. We had to pull that all apart, put some new parts in there. While it was here, it's a 4-speed too, so we fully rebuilt the gearbox, the transfer, and with some train tamer stuff, all KO bearings, Japanese stuff, so it's like a brand new box in there now. And she's ready to leave. I didn't mention either the wheels down here, chrome, early 40 series. They go into other models as well, but he's put those on there with the Faulkners. They give it a really nice look. You just you don't see too many Troopies anymore. Every farm had 2 or 3 utes, but not many of these floating around. So when one comes in this nice, it's pretty exciting to have it here. It's pretty exciting to work on it. And now I get to go for a drive.